Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about accounting. The topic today is about unit of production, depreciation. So now I want to show you how to answer. Let's say we have the unit of production based on the years in here from year number 1 to year number 4, and we know that we can find the total of production, so we just zoom on the value cone here. So the formula to calculate this one, we need to find about depreciation expense per unit. So we need to use about the cost of the machine in here. Minus about the salvage value. Then we divide by the total of units of production. So for this one, we will use about this one minus this one. Then we divide by the total in here. So we can use this one, we put in here. Now we know that on year number 0 we have 100,000. We put this one in here. So on year number 1, beginning book value, that's about ending book value last year. Now we calculate about depreciation expense, so we use this one multiply by this one. So this one, we have this one in here. So we use beginning book value minus depreciation expense. So this one we repeat again in here. And now we have this one multiplied by this one. So this one plus this one. So we have this one minus this one. And we repeat again. And we can see that 2000, that's about the ending book value, and that's about the salvage value in here. And that's the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.